and knock him over. Careful. Careful, careful. You're going to make him mad. Careful. Alright, Cade, you're going to make him mad. Let him go. Caden. Bonk. Bonk. Hey. Oh, Caden. Show me your stomach muscles. Lift your shirt up higher. I can't see him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you are so strong.
I'm so big, my shirt doesn't work. So big, I'm gonna explode.
You are.
Do you want to see my pictures?
Yeah.
They're my book bag.
Okay.
There's a picture. No.
Hey, take that folder from him, please.
Huh?
Take that folder from him.
Zachary! Zach, no! You cannot chew on these. Zachary, no. Zach, no.
This is what life is like with Zach. Okay, shut the door before he gets in there. There you go. Good job.
Here.
Oh, he took away all your fun, Zachary Logan.
Come on, here.
Okay, show me your pictures. What is this one?
That's the date, and those are cars that can run over volcanoes.
Oh, yeah? Okay. What does it say up in the corner?
That's a comma.
That's a what?
Comma.
What does it say?
The dot. That's the end of a sentence.
Oh, it is? Okay.
But it's the end of numbers.
Okay.
This is the comma. This is volcanoes and other guys. That's a helicopter that has a machine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I think the ones that you saw.
Hey, Zachers.
These two.
Okay, what's this one?
Hold on, avoid system.
What's
This
this
one is from Caleb.
Oh, that's one Caleb drew? What is it?
Yeah, you can't break the walls and you can't beat it.
Oh, yeah. Pull it back. I can't see it. There you go. Pull it back further. There you go. What was this one?
That's a car with dynamite.
It is.
Start driving.
Hey, don't bite me! Don't bite. Hey, quit. Careful, he's going to grab it. You're going to get mad.
Here.
Oh, bonk. Okay, go put your pictures on the counter before they get torn up by
My brother.
Hulk brother.
Oh, baby brother. Oh, baby.
Where's Zachy? Boo! Hi, handsome. Hi.
Do you know the Star Wars characters that I saw?
Mm-mm.
The Star Wars pictures that I made?
Oh,
Did you paperclip those?
not yet.
Oh, do it. Do it!
When I'm not busy watching your brother and trying to keep you out of trouble. Oh, what are you doing, brother? You're gonna get hurt.
What are you doing, brother? Zach, what are you doing?
Oh, he's gonna get... What are you doing? How old are you?
5.
5? Zachy, how old are you? Huh? How old are you, Zachy? Say 10 months. Say 10. You say 10? Where'd he go? Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Why?
So you can drill in there, the other room.
He just wants to see you.
There's more problems.
He just wants to. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Get him. Hey, can you see if you can get him to crawl around in a circle on the floor? Get on the floor and crawl with him. Whoa!
Ring around, ring around.
What did you do, Zach? What did you do, Zach?
Run around in the house. Run in the pulpit.
What do you have? Stay away from the windows. What is that? What is that? You're gonna end up getting in trouble.
Wow, that hurt.
What did you do?